Hello friends, today we have a lead code problem number 136 single number. Already we have solved this problem in previous video, but in previous video we have solved using hashing method, but now we have to solve this problem using XOR, okay, where space complexity and runtime complexity will be linear, and in previous solution there was not linear runtime complexity but space complexity was linear. So we have to find the solution here, and we have to find an optimal solution where space complexity and runtime complexity will be linear. So first of all, in this question, given a non-empty array integers nums, okay, here is an array nums. Every element appears twice except for one. Every element in this array is two times only, except one is one times. Like 2 is two times and 1 is one times. 4 is one times and 1 is two times, and also 2 is two times. So such like as every element appears twice except for one. Okay, we have to visible in this example. Find that single one. If there is single one any element, then find that single one. Suppose in 3, example number 3, only single one, so we have to find this single one. So you must implement a solution with a linear runtime complexity and use only constant extra space. Okay, so we have to apply here approach, not hashing method or other method where runtime complexity and constant and space complexity will be not linear. So now we have to approach here XOR method where not where will be not only will be linear complexity. So first of all, we have to declare an integer ans, declare a variable ans name is equal to 0, suppose 0, and means suppose 0 currently ans is equal to 0, and we have to run a for loop int I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot size I plus plus, and now we have run for loop. Now we will apply here XOR method where suppose ans is equal to ans, and this is the symbol of XOR, and here we will be write nums I, and this logic we have to notice here and point this logic is work as like as ans. This ans is equal to 0 will be here, and will be here, okay, will be point here. And when this loop will run I is equal to 0, when nums I is equal to 0, suppose 2 means 0 XOR and 2. Okay, so what will be solution of 0 XOR 2? Then we have to note that in XOR method, suppose same number, same digit, suppose A XOR A, then it will be return 0, and suppose A XOR 0, then it will be return not 0, it will be return A. It is the method of XOR when two same type of integer or anything, then it will be return 0. When different type of integer with 0, suppose 0 and any other integer, then they will return not 0, they will return other integer. Okay, this was the rule. And suppose both are non-zero, then we have to find using binary method, and we have to find decimal. Okay, so here ans equal to 0 and num size is 2, then it will be returned 2 here. Okay, then this will be also 2. Update after updation, then loop will be run, then here will be 2 comes, nums I equal to 1 means 2 here. When it goes on index number 1, then 2 XOR 2, it will be return 0, because same integer XOR when used, then it will be return 0. Same type return 0 and different type return integer without 0, not return 0 when different type of integer. Okay, so this will be return 0 when 2 XOR 2, then it will be return 0, then update answer will be 0, and this answer will be also 0. And now loop will be run, and index on index number 2 we will go on index number 2, and index number 2 equal to 1, so nums I equal to 1, so 0 XOR 1 will return 1. So we have to return that element which is present in nums array only one time. So we have find from this logic, this line, we have to find answer, and that answer is present only one time, that element present only one times in nums array. So we have to return ans. Okay, and this updation will be 0 to this 1 ans. Okay, so and here will be updated ans equal to 1. After last time run loop 0 XOR 1, then it will be return 1. So we have to now run, this was right, so we have to now submit this problem. So thank you to all of you. This was the and best and optimal solution for this problem, and without any non-linear space complexity and runtime complexity. So thank you to all of you.